Hello, students of class 4th. Welcome to the SST class. We have completed our second chapter. Today we will do define the following and question answers of chapter 2. So take out your notebook. First of all, write down date. Chapter 2, the abode of snow. The abode, abode, abode of snow, snow, snow. Define the following. define, define the the following, fo double lo wing, following. इसमें नंबर फर्स्ट है pass. Write down passes, passes, passes are the passages, passages, passages between, between, between the mountains, mountains, mountains of the Himalayas, Himalayas, Himalayas. Full stop. They are useful, useful, useful in carrying, carrying, carrying out, trade, 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 and communication, communication, communication with, with other, other countries, countries, countries. Passes are the passages between the mountains of the Himalayas. They are useful in carrying out trade and communication with other countries. Second is valley, valley, valley. Rivers like Ganga, 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 and Yamuna, Yamuna, Yamuna. Cut, cut, through, through, through the mountains, 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 and forms, 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 lowlands, L-O-W-L-A-N-D-S, lands, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, valleys, V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys, full stop. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna cut through the mountains and form lowlands called valleys. Number 3, glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E-R, glacier. A glacier, G-L-A-C-I-E-R, glacier, is a moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, moving mass, M-A-S-S, mass of ice, I-C-E, ice, full stop. A glacier is a moving mass of ice. On the next page, we will do question answers. First of all, write down date. Question chapter 2, the abode of snow. Question 1, give a brief, B-R-I-E-F, brief description, D-E-S-C-R-I-P-T-I-O-N, description of the location, L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N, location of the Himalayas, Himalayas, Himalayas. Give a brief description of the location of the Himalayas. Answer 1. The Himalayas, T-H-E, the Himalayas, H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-A-S, Himalayas, stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch, to, about, A-B-O-U-T, about 2,400 kilometers, passing, P-A-S-S-I-N-G, passing, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, northern India, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, northern India, I-N-D-I-A, India, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, southern China, C-H-I-N-A, China, comma, Tibet, T-I-B-E-T, Tibet, Nepal, N-E-P-A-L, Nepal, and, A-N-D, and, Bhutan, B-H-U-T-A-N, Bhutan, full stop. There, T-H-E-I-R, there, width, W-I-D-T-H, width, varies, V-A-R-I-E-S, varies, from, F-R-O-M, from 150 to 400 kilometers, full stop. Done. Question number 2. Name the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas. Name the three parallel, Parallel, parallel ranges, Ranges, ranges of the Himalayas, Himalayas, Himalayas. Will stop. Answer 2. Parallel ranges of the Himalayas are the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, the Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. Write down. Parallel ranges, Parallel, parallel ranges, Ranges, ranges of the Himalayas, Himalayas, Himalayas are, इसमें ए है, द ग्रेटर, GREATER, greater Himalayas, 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 or Himadri, HIMADRI, Himadri. B. The lesser, LESSER, lesser Himalayas, 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 or Himachal, HIMACHAL, Himachal. C. The outer, OUTER, outer Himalayas, 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 or Shivalik, SHIWALIK, Shivalik. Done? Now, question number 3. What is a Piran? What? Write down. What is a PHIRAN? Piran. Question mark. Answer 3. The traditional, TRADITIONAL, traditional dress of Kashmiris, KASHMIRIS, which is a long cloak, CLOAK, is known, KNOWN, known as Piran, PHIRAN, Piran. Done? Question number 4. State any 3 uses of the Himalayas. State, 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 any, ANY, 3 uses of the Himalayas, HIMALAYAS, Himalayas. Answer 4. Uses of Himalayas. Uses of Himalayas. इसमें ए लिखिए. Himalayas, HIMALAYAS, Himalayas protect, Protect, protect us from the dry, cold winds, 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 blowing, 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 from the north, 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 full stop. Himalayas protect us from the dry, cold winds blowing from the north. B. They entrap, entrap, entrap the monsoon, 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 winds, 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 which, which give, give us rains, rains, rains. They entrap the monsoon winds which give us rains. C. They are the source, source, source of the never, never ending, ending rivers, rivers, rivers which, which are useful, useful for, for irrigation, 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 and for generating, generating, generating electricity, electricity, electricity. Let's stop. Done? They are the source of the never-ending rivers which are useful for irrigation and for generating electricity. Number 5. Name a few hill stations of the Lesser Himalayan range. Write down. Name a few hill stations, stations, stations of the lesser, lesser Himalayan, Himalayan range, range. Answer 5. Famous hill stations are Shimla, Kullu, Manali, Almora, Nainital, Mussoorie and Darjeeling. Write down famous, famous, famous hill stations, stations stations are Shimla, Shimla. Shimla. Kullu, 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 comma. Manali, 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 comma. Almora, Almora, comma. Nainital, Nainital, Nainital. Mussoorie, Mussoorie, Mussoorie. And Darjeeling, Darjeeling. Full stop. Done. Move to the last one. Question number 6. Differentiate between the western and the eastern Himalayas. Write down. Differentiate. Differentiate. Differentiate between between the western western and the eastern eastern Himalayas. Now write down answer number 6. इसमें ए पार्ट लिखिए. वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज, WESTERN, वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज, HIMALAYAS, Himalayas is higher, HIGHER, higher than the eastern, EASTERN, eastern Himalayas, HIMALAYAS, Himalayas. Western Himalayas is higher than the eastern Himalayas. B लिखिए. Eastern Himalayas receive more rains than the Western Himalayas. Write down. Eastern, EASTERN, Eastern Himalayas receive, RECEIVE, receive more, MORE, more rains than the Western Himalayas. Done. C लिखिए. Eastern Himalayas are more greener than the Western Himalayas. Eastern, EASTERN, Eastern Himalayas are more, MORE, more greener, GREENER, greener than, THAN, than the Western, WESTERN, Western Himalayas, HIMALAYAS, Himalayas. Full stop. इसमें डी लिखिए. The temperature is much less in the western Himalaya than the eastern Himalaya. The temperature, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature is much, M-U-C-H, much less in the western, W-E-S-T-E-R-N, western Himalaya than the eastern Himalaya. The temperature is much less in the western Himalaya than the eastern Himalaya. These were the question answers of chapter 2.